fractions. Welcome everyone to this lesson on multiplying fractions. In this lesson, we are going to cover the basic steps of multiplying fractions. There will be more lessons on multiplying fractions. Here are some of the steps in multiplying fractions. Step 1. Check if the numerator and the denominator are divisible. Step 2. Multiply the numerators. Step 3. Multiply the denominator. Step 4. Reduce the resultant fraction to its lowest term. By fractions. So the last lesson we did was adding and subtracting fractions. And today we're going to look into multiplying fractions and dividing fractions. But first, let's solve multiplying fractions. Now, I've already written it for you just to save up time. Now, we're back on the color code again. So we have 2/5 and 3/7. The method I'm going to use to solve this, we call it multiplying across. Multiplying across. Multiplying across means we're going to use 2 times 3 and 5 times 4. 5 times 7, 8 times 3. So you multiply it across, okay? Across to each other. That's what that's the meaning of it. Multiply across. So I'm going to write it out. This means 2 times 3 over 5 times 7. What is 2 times 3? 6. 5 times 7 is 35. So this is the answer. It's as simple as that. Now, let's do the next one. 5 times 4 and 8 times 3. We'll multiply across. So 5 times 4 is what? 20. And 8 times 3. 8 times 3 is going to give us what? 24. Exactly. 24. So we write 24. Okay, you can simplify it. See, two of them, you can simplify 20 and 24. They are all even numbers. So you can use 4 to divide the two of them. You can use 2. So if you use 4, it's going to give us divide by 4, divide by 4. This is going to give us 5, and this is going to give us 6. So this is when you simplify it. The answer here is 24 or 5/6. Okay, so I'm going to clean the board. I'll pause this for a little while, then I'll clean the board. Okay. We have another problem, 2 of them. So why do I use black here? It's like a butterfly method, right? Of course it is. So, but this is a different butterfly method of solving multiplication. This is a different one. So what you're going to do here, you're going to divide. See, 4 and 2. 2 can divide 4. And 5 can divide 5. So diagonally, you divide diagonally. Number that will divide 2 and 4 without remainder. Of course, 2 can go. 2 will divide 2 without remainder, and 2 will divide 4 without remainder. So let's do it. 2 cancel. To give here, it will give you 2. Cancel. It's going to give you 1. Sorry, it's going to give you 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2, 2 divided by 2 is 1. Okay? And here, 5 divided by 5 will give us 1. 5 divided by 5 will give us 1. Now you will multiply the answers across. You multiply the answers across. So what do we have here? We have 2, which is this one, times 1, which is this one, all over 1 times 1. So the answer is 2. 2 over 1 is 2. Alright? Let's do the next one. Why do I have it black and black, black and black? It means this one can divide it, they can cross out each other, and this one can cross out each other. So let's do it. I'm going to use blue. 2 into 2 is going to give us 1. So 4 into 2 places is going to give you 2. 5 into 5 is 1. 15 into 5 places is going to give you 3. You multiply across. 1 times 1 all over 2 times 3. It's going to give us 1 over 6.